Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a Harris 230 Grand Mariner. All right, so 230 Grand Mariner. This one was ordered absolutely loaded with all of the options. So it's got the biggest lighting package available from the factory. So underwater lights, under rub rail, cup holders, speakers, tower panels, under the seats as well. Has the biggest stereo available. So JL audio throughout. Subwoofer in your chase lounge here, another sub underneath the back, and 4 amps on this one. Twin screens, Mercury active trim. It does have the submersible swim seat, white 350 horsepower Mercury V10. Has the lily pad ladder, flip-flop backrest, in-floor storage, flip-up table. I mean, it's just absolutely loaded. Also double bimini. So if you got any questions about this or any other ones you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.